Let's discuss the question number 32. This is from test 3 and the topic is thermodynamics. Okay, so a reversible heat engine is given. Which operates between two reservoirs of 700 degrees centigrade and then between 50. So it takes heat from 700 degrees centigrade and resets heat to the final area and does some work. Okay, and this engine basically drives a small refrigerator unit. Okay, and so some part of the work is used to drive a refrigerator unit which operates between 50 and minus 25. So it basically takes heat from the lower temperature and gives to the higher temperature. So this is how. So some part of the work goes into the. So let's say the W is the work that is produced by the heat engine. Some part goes into the refrigerator and the net goes out. Okay, so what is given is the network. The heat, okay, let's read the question. The heat transfer to the engine is 250. So this value is 2500 joules. Basically the Q1 is 2500 joules. And the network output of the entire system, because some some work goes into your refrigerator. So the network output is 400 kilojoules. And so what is the heat transfer to the refrigerant? So this is what is asked. That is the Q3 is what is asked. So both are reversible. You have the reversible heat engine, you have the reversible refrigerant. The meaning of reversible is that the performance parameters, like for example the efficiency for heat engine and the COP for the refrigerator, both are all related in terms of temperature. Okay, so let's first find out the efficiency of the reversible heat engine is basically related as 1 minus the lower temperature by the higher temperature, and that too in the Kelvin. So 1 minus 50 plus 273 by the TH is given as 700 plus 273. So it's 700 plus 273. So the efficiency comes out to be 1 minus 323 by 973, that is 0.668. Okay, so we know the efficiency is basically the work done by the heat input. So the efficiency is 0.668 and so the W is 0.668 into the heat input, and the heat input is given as 2500 joules. So the work input basically is 16770 kilojoules. Okay, so now the work net is basically given as 400 kilojoules. So the work input to the refrigerator, that is nothing but the total work produced by the engine minus the net work output of the device. So it is 160 minus 400, which is 1270 kilojoules. Okay, so now what is asked is the heat transfer to the refrigerant. Now refrigerant is also now the performance parameter for the refrigerant is COP, and the COP for the refrigerator is given as basically the desired effect by the work input. Okay, so the desired effect is basically your Q3 by work input, which is W. Now for the reversible case, this is basically the lower temperature by the difference of TH minus TL. So this is for your reversible refrigerator, and that is what is given. The reversible refrigerator is given in the problem. Okay, so now TL is minus 25. So let's substitute in terms of Kelvin, and TH is 50 minus, because the denominator is the difference, so I can put it in Celsius also, and I'll be getting it. So 248 by 75 So the value is close to 3.306. So now, so I know the work, this is for the refrigerator. So now Q3 is basically the COP into the work of the refrigerator, and that is nothing but 3.306 into 1270 value, and so this comes around 4191 kilojoules. So the answer is B. Thank you.